Kimchi Apple Beef Stew. Peel off the apple skin. Cut into cubes. Cut the carrot into cubes. Chop the onion. Cut the beef into cubes. Marinate with black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, honey. Mix evenly. We use Shangchu Yellow Collection saucepan 1600 milliliters. Add some coconut oil. Stir fry the marinated beef. Set aside for later use. Stir fry chopped onion with gochujang sauce. Add in the marinated beef. Add a cup of water. Add the cubed apple and carrots. Add some rock sugar. Add the spicy kimchi. Stew for 20 to 30 minutes. Now, you can enjoy a spicy and delicious Kimchi Apple Beef Stew.